He does not like to be held. He wants to go play.
Well, guess what? No playing tonight.
Okay. Crazy kid.
I don't even know if I should put bows or anything in her hair. So just everybody will waller it out.
Can we eat them things?
Mom, why did Envy?
No. Can we eat like the carrots?
She was